Samsung 236 liters, 3-star, digital inverter, frost-free double-door refrigerator. Digital inverter technology. Enjoy greater energy efficiency, less noise and a long-lasting performance. The digital inverter compressor automatically adjusts its speed in response to cooling demand. Cool pack. Prevent food from being ruined during power cuts. When electricity outages happen, a cool pack in the freezer keeps food frozen at below 0 degrees Celsius for up to 12 hours, so it doesn't go to waste. Stabilizer-free operation. Protect the refrigerator from power fluctuations. The stabilizer-free operation keeps it working steadily and reliably. If the voltage increases too much, it automatically cuts the power to prevent electrical damage. Easy Slide Shelf. Easy Slide Shelf is built on rolling hinges and pulls out, so you can efficiently organize and easily access your food items and easily see exactly what you have stored in the back. Deodorizer. Keep the inside of the refrigerator deodorized and preserve the original flavor and aroma of food for longer. The built-in natural fiber deodorizing filter eliminates strong smells as the air is continually passed through activated carbon filters. All-round cooling. The all-around cooling system cools the fridge evenly from corner to corner. Cold air is blown out through multiple vents on every shelf level, so it maintains a constant temperature and food stays fresher. Smart Connect Inverter, automatic, runs on home inverter. In India, power cuts are common across regions. Smart Connect Inverter refrigerators run even during power cuts, making sure your food always remains as fresh as ever.